What is this?
From 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a shower capable of producing waterspouts was located 31 nautical miles east of Lauderdale by the Sea, moving west at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Ridge, Lauderdale by the Sea, Fort Lauderdale, Lighthouse Point, Pompano Beach, Hillsborough Beach, Gulf Stream, Hollywood, Delray Beach, Port Everglades, Boca Raton, Highland Beach, Sea Ranch Lakes, Briny Breezes, Hallandale, and Deerfield Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
Another special marine warning, all because of Hurricane Ida.